Alright, I've been talking about matcha latte for quite some time. Here's what you'll need to make the perfect matcha latte. At least perfect for me. So you use this, I think it's called a strainer. Use a good matcha, this is the one I use. Feel free to use the one you like, but it needs to be very green. If it's kind of yellow, that's no good. Now you will want to put like 1 teaspoon inside your strainer. The reason, oh wow, I'm not in frame at all. The reason why you want to put your matcha through it is to remove the big stuff, you know, to make it very smooth, or else you'll have some unwanted stuff. Unwanted texture, not stuff. Obviously there's not gonna be any more stuff. Now, let's do the water part. Alright, so I have my water here, about 70 degrees, that I've preheated, about 120 milliliters, alright? Now you take your little chasen here, and you do some W moves into your matcha to whisk it. You need to do the W move because it's a great letter. Wink wink. Alright, so now we have somewhat the texture we want. Now I'll use this oat milk, vanilla flavored. I think it does a fantastic job. I'm using this to heat it up and make it you know, do the little bubble, like 120 milliliters too. So let's warm the milk. It's doing the thing. I don't know if it's a crime to use coffee stuff to make tea stuff. Let me know. I think we call it frothing milk. Is that a word? Not too sure. Alright, our milk is ready. We're just gonna put it up in here. And as a Canadian, I am legally required to put maple syrup in everything I make. So here's some maple syrup. And now we'll just whisk it again. And there you go. That's it. That's how I am making my matcha latte. Let me know if you have any other recipe. For now, that's gonna be it. Thanks a bunch for watching. Go do something else. Go play games while drinking tea. Thanks. Bye-bye.